DDD looks like a faggot. Okay, today we're doing Kirby 64! Yeah, let's go. It's him! Oh, he's got a concussion now. What? I didn't watch the beginning cutscene. I forgot what happens in this one. Look, it's Jose Maria. Why is it that when Kirby sees this woman like smack him in the head, he doesn't decide, oh, let me suck this bitch. He does that to every single other character. And smacks his belly at her, and she really likes that. And there they go. Pop star. What? What? Is this a children's game? Oh, that's the level. Oh, oh yeah. Wait, wasn't there a way to like? I forgot. How do I combine them? I want to combine it with Spike. No. How? Wait. No! There we go. No! Oh! Hold on. Give me you. I hold it. I throw at you. Fire Spike! Oh, that's not what I thought it was. I don't like that. Okay. I'm liking it. This one's nice. This one's nice and calming. It's a nice concept. Actually, no. How do I get rid of one? Can I, like... Ah. Okay, nope. I want Fire Cutter. Give me Fire Cutter. Ah. Woo! Oh! Give me the Christmas ability. Christmas ability. Oh my god! It's not what I thought it would be either. Oh, just playing jump rope with me, huh? Okay. There we go. I did not think it was like this. What? No! Oh wait, no. I thought I like lost my ability. Hey, bitch! Nice. Okay, so I can raise the roof. Maxim tomato. Oh. I'll be okay with my cloud sword. This thing has so much distance. Forget this. I want Spike Cutter. What is this? Oh god! No, I want my flame sword back. This is... I like... Okay. My favorite. Get out of here. Give me you. Oh, but it doesn't work the same in this one. Damn! Oh, wait. Ooh, okay. Bomb fire. Let's see this. Are you fucking kidding me? He just self-destructs? Ah! Ah! That's stupid! I like downgraded. Oh, wait, can I want to test something. I want to see if I can double up. I doubt I can, but I really want to try it. Don't throw that at me. No! Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! I love this game. I love this one. What a bitch! Don't! What the? Dark matter? Oh! Dark matter looks horrifying in this game. I wanna see Zero. Dark matter Waddle Dee? He only has one eye? Please? Yeah! Oh wait, no, it's just a Waddle Doo. Okay. That's lame. Is this origin story of Waddle Doo? Oh, they aim! That's awesome! Okay. This is... I like this game. Except for all the multiple cutscenes. Yeah, just leave him there. Oh, okay, never mind. Ugh! Again, why isn't Kirby like, oh, this is my enemy, let me... What? 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 Okay, thank you. Dude, what? I'm glad that they just kept the same goal game in the new ones, because I don't know how to do these other ones. They don't explain it either. Okay, bomb cutter, bomb cutter. Okay. What? I'm not even seeing it fly. Is it invisible? Oh, it is! Unless my game's just broken. Okay, I want to try... Did I try fire and bomb? Yeah, I did. I did. Okay. What is this? Stone and... Stone and cutter. Make... Okay, that's stupid. How about fire rock? Oh wait, no, bomb rock. Bomb rock. It always has to be bomb. Give me this. And... Okay. All of this is just gonna be me experimenting. Okay, that takes a long time. Oh! Oh my gosh! No, get away from it. Oh my god! No, I don't want this one! Okay, I gotta move on. I can't keep experimenting. Oh, it doesn't come back down, okay. No more rock bomb. Ooh, sparky bomb. Yeah, whatever. No! What is it? Okay, never mind. It's gone. Give me you. And... Give me... Are you kidding me? Give me you! That's... What? Can I use that over and over? That's stupid! Oh my gosh! That should not be a thing. Well, then again, I can't attack. I might have to make this video longer because it's just me playing over and over again. Oh, they hurt! They hurt people! I think? Thanks, Waddle Bitch. This is just free food for me. They thought this was a good idea. Thank you. Oh. Waddle. Okay, thank you. Ooh, let me just give myself food. Attack her with food. Attack her with food. I can't get hurt either. Oh my gosh. Ew, it's a human.
Oh, let me pick it up and put it in my mouth. And let me not notice the big fucking dark matter coming out of my...
I've come here to paint you a new penis. Oh no, I have angry face. Right? Attack her with food. What do I do? 0. Ugh! Why did they censor it? What? No, not the Godzilla. Take my food. This is the dumbest thing I've ever seen. Hey, Dark Matter, come on. You can't hurt me. You can't hurt me. Oh yeah, I get hurt by all of the food, please. I'll just leave some on the ground for you. This is ridiculous. Why am I able to do this? Oh my god! What? She rolled off into oblivion. They're hitting each other.
Let me paint you all. Ow! I have every single color on my paintbrush.
What? I don't understand.
I have to shit.
I'm not changing my ability. This is my favorite now. Forget bomb. I hate bomb. I only want fridge. I want fridge for Kirby Star Allies. I don't know why that isn't a thing yet. Because this was obviously the best ability they put into the game. I don't know why they didn't bring it back. This is so stupid. Fridge, fridge, fridge. Fridge, fridge, fridge. Here I go. King DDD, is that you? Oh no, he could block my fridge! Here we go. There's a solution to everything with the fridge. I want to keep playing this one just because I found the stupid fridge exploit. I don't even know if I would call it an exploit. Oh yes, moving platforms on my friend. Take the food! I can do this forever. Like, there's no limit. This is the best game ever! There's gonna be, like, no good parts for me to edit in this. Because all of it is just me not losing. Because all of the good parts in my videos are me doing badly. But there is no doing badly now because of the stupid fridge. Thank you. You want some food? Here, have some. There you go. Make sure you take care of that cheese, alright? It's sacred. Yes, walk into the cheese, please. The way they explode when they touch it. Oh no, the cheese! No! Nope, it's not. What? DDD, take my fridge! You're a bitch. This isn't the same DDD. He got a facelift. Ooh! Ah! Kirby! Oh, I thought he was gonna get muscular and say that he didn't even get any bigger. He did not even get any bigger. What you gonna do, DDD? I'm a freak. Oh my god! Did he really just lose all of his life by touch me, DDD. Oh my god, I keep saying stuff I don't want to. Oh, what? No, no! He found my weakness! Take the food! Wait. No! Take the food! Wait, I want to test if, like, the food actually gives me health. That's dumb! DDD, I'm stepping on you! It looks disgusting. No, I don't want. I shit my pants. I don't know why they tried to make him look evil in this one. What? I got a Yu-Gi-Oh card. Wispy Woods, okay. After this I'm done. Oh no! Fringe! I don't know how do I do this? Do I beat his little idiots? Yeah, I beat his little idiots. I just gotta place traps.
Eat my shit! Eat shit, eat my shit, eat Wispy's shit.
There's nothing you can do.
Hey Wispy, you want some of this food?
I wonder if he touches me. If I... Yeah, it hurts him! Give me. If anyone wants to play Kirby 64, go ahead and get the fridge ability. Did he look so annoyed all the time? Oh yes, let's go to that crumble of space. And then they suffocated in space. Rockstar?
Ah! I get it! Ah!
Okay, well, I've gone on for longer than I should on this. So this was Kirby 64, and next I'm going to be playing Return to Dreamland. But when I play that, I'm not. It's actually gonna go by regular episode. Like I'm gonna beat the entire game. I'm not just gonna like beat a couple levels and then say I'm done with it. I hope I'm not. I hope I don't. I just don't give up on that. But okay, yeah. So look forward to that. And
Play next time. Bye-bye.